Welcome to a video from thedislifestyle.com. In this video I'm going to set up and unbox the Twinkly Icicle lights. These are the white and multicoloured version. There's 190 LEDs and they're the Icicle ones that sort of hang down. They're controlled by an app, so you can have all sorts of different functionality with it. So in the video I'll check what's in here. I'm going to set them up outside and we'll have a look at what we can do with the app as well. You've got an app to set it all up, which I've got installed already, and then you can control it from Alexa, Google Home, Apple, that kind of thing. All the smart home stuff you can control it from. So let's have a see what's included first. So in the box we have our instructions, some stickers, the main thing, lights. So there's all the lights, all nice and carefully wrapped up, which is good. A power adapter, UK power plug. The other set of lights that come from the middle, and then the main control unit, a nice light control unit. So the connector on it is those 2-pin. I've used quite a few outdoor systems. That's the charge or the power adapter. I think the smart bit's actually in here, so that means you could actually use those standard 2-pin light rigs to extend this. But anyway, that's what you plug in, you get it on your Wi-Fi. To give you an idea how much length they've got, I've just unravelled these. I've not extended the cables yet, but you see the actual lights, they start there, they come all the way down here, all the way down there. So in this case that's going to go all the way across there, so that's going to go across the front of my house. It should be no problem at all. So what I'm going to do now, I'll unstretch those, get them plugged in and get them put out. Now to clip them out, I've got a couple of different solutions. These are great. You get packs of these are great. You hook them on the light there, hook that over your gutter. So I'll hook it over the gutter there like that. Right, so let's get these connected up. Okay, so it's all connected up now. That green light means I need to put it to pairing mode, so I'm going to go into my phone and we'll sort that out. I'm on my phone now. I click on search for devices. That'll find the device. I've just pressed the button on there, so it will pick that up, and then you choose device, which in my case is a generation 2, and then it establishes a Bluetooth connection. The next step is to send the Wi-Fi down. So here's the Wi-Fi screen now, so I can put in my Wi-Fi credentials to connect, and that sends it down to the device, so it switches from using Bluetooth into Wi-Fi. So I'll do that now. Okay, so that's connected. You can see there it's picked up the device. So now I'll go and do the calibration. Okay, so I've come back outside now. I'm going to do the mapping now of the lights. So the mapping is so that the app on here knows where the lights are, so you can get the effect. So I've come out. It's a bit darker now. Actually, the camera's making it look brighter than it actually is. Before, when I tried to do this morning, it was too bright, so I'm doing it darker now. So I go into the settings on here, and so I do the map lights. So I actually go and stand further back so you could see the lights in full view, so that's okay. I can okay that now. So now I can choose an effect I want, so say this is called Unicorn Sun. I can apply that, and that's set that up. So what I'm going to do now is I'll wait till it goes dark properly, and then we'll have another look at them. Okay, so it's going dark now, so I can power these on, and that's one of the standard effects that you can see. That's called snow. And over here on the app, there's a whole ton of effects you can choose from. I quite like that one, but you can go for something a bit more colourful, like this one. Or I can even choose, let's say, a Christmas tree. But you can see what they look like on there. So I could go for like one here, it's like a purple wipe. I like that one. And basically I'm just choosing from these through the app. There's a whole load of to choose from. So because it's colour, you can choose any of the different colours. So I could go for candy pattern. It's candy pattern. And even if I got one called checkered flag, which is like a checkered flag motif of it. You could also choose your own layouts. So I showed this on the previous video actually with these. So I can choose a colour gradient one, and then I can then edit that, add some sparkle to it. As you see, I'm drawing it across like that, and I can choose that, and then I can add some colour stripes to it like that, and so on, and then send that down to it and call it, and give it a name. And then you can then control that from Alexa. Plus there's a load from the store that you can download. Some real colourful ones on there. Then what you can do is you can make a playlist from it. So I can create a playlist now. So I pick some effects from here. So like snow one, I'm going to add a rainbow one, I'm going to add the purple white one, and I'm going to add let's add the crazy lines one, and then I'm going to add the white one as well. So I can apply that, and that sends this down to the device then, and I can leave that and then plug it. So I can then set up schedules for it, so it can come on at the time, 4 o'clock in the evening or whatever you want it to come on, 5 o'clock, and go off again, or you can control it through Alexa as well. So this is running through the playlist now. There's 92% memory free on here, so I can send all these effects down, add them in combination on the playlist. So each one of these is going to go for 30 seconds. There you go, it's going through the cycles. So these work out about 109 quid from Twinkly or from Amazon, and they work with all your smart home stuff. So they're a great way to add some Christmas sparkle to your outside lights, or you can run them indoor as well. That's watching this video. You can find out about the Twinkly light panel on our YouTube channel and more smart home stuff. Thanks for watching.